Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to convert fractions into percents. And how are we going to do that? Let's see. So, here we need to understand what percent means. Convert fraction into percent. For example, I have a fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. That means the total parts are written in the denominator. Suppose I have 4 total parts and a part of that is selected. Whatever is the shaded part or the selected part comes in the numerator. That's a part, or let's say one part out of 4 parts. That means the fraction is a part of a whole. One part out of 4 parts, that's a fraction. What about percent? What do you understand by percent? Per means for each. It's for each. Cent is a Latin root word for 100. So percent basically means for each 100, or you can say it is out of 100. That means you have something which is out of 100. So this is how you are going to convert a fraction into percent. Fraction into percent. Here I have a fraction of 1/4. That's one part out of 4 parts. And percent is for each 100. That's out of 100. So if you understand this, you can do any questions related to fractions or percents. Here, what are we going to do is, in this, the denominator is 4. So you're going to convert this 4 to 100. You're going to change this 4 to 100, or make this 4 into 100. So how many times it goes in the 4 times table to make it 100? So what are we going to multiply with 4 to make it 100? So you are going to multiply 25. 25 fours, 4 25s make 100. So this is what, when you multiply 25, you're going to get 100. The same thing you're going to multiply with the numerator as well. So 25 times 1 will give you 25. That means you have 25 out of 100. For example, if we are talking about percents, this is 25 out of 100. Now this out of 100 or per 100 can be changed into a symbol. That's called as, you write down a slant line with the 2 dots. So this is called as a percent. 25%. 25 per 100. That's 25%. Yes, you've converted a fraction to a percent. This is one method. This is one method to convert. There's another method where we can convert fractions to percentages easily. So you have 1/4. You simply multiply by 100. And that's converted. 100 divided by 4 is 25%. Done. So these are the two ways where you can convert a fraction into a percent. First, you can make the denominator as 100 by multiplying a whole fraction. A whole fraction is something in which numerator and denominator both are same. That's 25 over 25. So we just multiplied with 25 over 25 and we got 25 over 100. That's 25%. Okay, for example, now let's take another example. We have a mixed number. Suppose we have a mixed number, that's 2 1 over 2. So we have 2 1 over 2, and first, how are we going to convert it directly to percentage? No, we are going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. How do we do that? We multiply this first and then we add this. So 2 times 2, that's 2 times 2 plus 1 over, the denominator remains same every time. That's 2. So that's the answer. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 2. So you have converted 2 1 over 2 into an improper fraction. That's 5 over 2. Now let's convert the fraction to percentage. So what is our first method? To make the denominator as 100. So it should be out of 100. So what are we going to multiply in this? 2 times what gives us 100? 2 times 50. 50. Two 50s make 100. So this is how we change the denominator to 100. So same thing, you need to multiply with the numerator. So 5 times 50 gives you 250. And this is what this per 100 is going to change into symbol, percent symbol. That's 250%. Done. So percent actually means out of 100. That's per 100. Done. Okay, let's see another example. For example, if we have 7 over 8. Now 7 over 8 using the second method. If we are using the second method, we just have to multiply by 100. Yes. Okay, this also we can do by second method as well. 5 over 2 multiplied by 100, and you're going to get the same thing. That's 250%. Now let's see for this one. 7 over 8 times 100. So you have, you can just simplify. 2 times 4 is 100, and 2 5s is 10, 2 zeros is 0, 50 over 4. Again, you can cancel out. 2 times 2 is 4, and you get 25. So you have 7 into 25 over 2. Okay, now I don't think it can be simplified further. So you have 7 multiplied by 25 over 2, which will give you 175 over 2. Now for this one, either you can use long division method to convert it to a mixed number. So let's see, how do we do that? We have 175, so it goes 8 times. That gives you 16. Subtract with a remainder of 1, carry down 5, and you're left with 15. So 2 times 7 gives you 14. So we have a remainder of 1. Okay, so we have a mixed fraction, that is 87 1 over 2. 87, it's 87 1 over 2%. Or you can even write this as 87 half. This is half. That means it's 0.5. So 87.5%. You can even write it like this. Okay. So we are done with converting. Okay. So hopefully we are done with this, converting the percentages. Okay, so I'm going to convert it back. Okay, so here we have done with the percentages. This is how we convert improper fractions into percentages. If at all you have 10% or something, just multiply 10 with 100, and that's going to give you, how many zeros we have? We have 3 zeros, so it's 1000%, and done. This is how you convert improper fractions into percentages. Done. It's super easy. If at all you like this session, please do leave a comment and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.